In this tutorial, we will look at how to transfer paddocks and properties. You can transfer paddocks between your own properties, and you can transfer properties between your own accounts or to another grower. To transfer paddocks, go to the Properties section and select the property you want to transfer from. You can transfer a single paddock by selecting the transfer button on the paddock, or transfer multiple paddocks at a time by using the multiple transfer option. Select the paddocks to transfer. Then select the property to transfer to. Once completed, the paddocks will appear in your other property automatically and no further action is required. You can transfer a property between your own accounts or to another grower account. To transfer between your own properties, select the Transfer Property option, then the account you want to transfer to. Select if you want to include just the paddock information as well as the current season estimate if you've already completed it, then transfer. If transferring between your own accounts and you are the administrator on the account, the transfer will happen automatically and you will see it in your properties for the account. To transfer to another grower account, if for example you have leased land to them, they will need to provide you with their grower number to transfer the property. Enter the number of the account and transfer. The grower you are transferring the property to will need to approve the transfer before it will be finalised. And once submitted, you will be able to see the pending transfer and also cancel it if needed. Check the user guide for step-by-step instructions, and if you need assistance on transferring paddocks or properties, please contact the Grower Service Centre on 1800 199 083.